Since this is our very first hair class, I am going to repeat everything here once again. All right, so everyone will look at this. Look, the method of Black Hat SEO involves two things. Whenever we use the Black Hat SEO method, any Black Hat SEO method we use, it involves two things. One of our Black Hat SEO is basic, and the other of our Black Hat SEO is advanced. Our basic Black Hat SEO, in this, coding is not required. And in our advanced Black Hat, coding is not required here. Here, coding is required. Okay, basic coding is needed. No dangerous coding is needed here. Just very basic coding is required. Now here, we understand what the basic one is and what the advanced one is. First, we will understand the entire introduction. Okay, so first we come to the basics. Whenever we do basic Black Hat, what happens in basic Black Hat? We never rank a website. Here, the website does not rank. Here, what ranks is yours. Here, either your post will rank or we rank a number. What thing ranks? Here, our post will rank or our number will rank. Okay, now what do we rank in the posts? In the post, we either rank affiliate links or we insert our website's links within the post to drive traffic to our website. This means we gain profit from both here. If we need to make an affiliate sale or a CPA sale or bring a lead in CPA, we use this for affiliate or CPA here. If we need to make a sale, we can use that link. Or what do? If we need to send traffic to our website, we use it here. All right, now look what we basically do here whenever we need to do Black Hat SEO. All right. Before that, let's understand what the concept of the number is. When you work in pay-per-call, as I mentioned, if you work in pest control or in antivirus offers or in flight offers, what happens there? You have to rank the TFN. What you have to rank there is your TFN. What is your TFN? Toll-free number. So we rank this toll-free number. If it is in the first, second, or third position, we receive calls on it and earn our commission. So in simple basics, understand what we need to do. Our website will not rank in the basics. Our post or a number will rank. Our post that can rank may contain an affiliate link, CPA link, and website traffic link. Like someone told me, sir, what do I need to do? For me, it's a simple scenario. I need to rank something like this. Like I said, I have a ClickBank product. Metolin, I need to rank the ClickBank Metolin product. So how can I rank the ClickBank Metolin product? What will I do? I will create a post. We will put that post on different portals, which I will tell you about in the future. How to find those portals? I will put them on those portals, or on some Govi websites, we put them there. After that, I have a method for indexing. From there, we get those websites indexed, and after indexing, we rank them. Now, I said that I posted about Metolin. So obviously, where are we ranking these things? We are ranking them in the USA. When we are ranking these things in the USA, what kind of traffic will we get? We will get US traffic. And when we get US traffic, we will generate sales from there. Where else can we do the same thing? We can do the same thing. 1 second. We can do the same thing. Any CPA product. I said I picked up a CPA product, picked up Youthful, which is a product of Maximum Mountain. I created a post related to it. I ranked that post on different portals. What portals can there be? There can be our normal portals. There can be portals related to our government. there can be portals related to our UD. In those portals, we will inject posts. And after injecting the posts, what we will do is get them indexed. And what is being told here is something that everyone knows. Doing this, posting, finding portals, completing the posting. 99% of people do not know how indexing is done. And this is exactly what I am providing in the training. I am not just giving this for the sake of it, but I am going to clarify the main concept of indexing to you in the coming time. And it will not be that easy, so it will take time for this. It will take 5 to 6 classes. Then you will understand how indexing is done. So what will we do with these things here? I will get the indexing done. And after indexing, we will get a ranking there. And if we get the ranking, what can we do there? We can sell. We will do the same thing in the number section, like in the pay-per-call section. Assume I picked it up in the pay-per-call section. There is a plumbing campaign. In the plumbing campaign, we took a TFN from the network. TFN means toll-free number. Then we will put the same thing in the post. We will put that post in the portal, and after putting it in the portal, we will place it on these websites, either on normal government or UD. Then we will index it, and again, it will start ranking. So that is the method. It's a basic method. But even with this basic method, any website can easily rank within 3 to 10 days. And once it ranks, what do we start getting here? We start getting conversions. All right, so this is basically how it works. Did you understand what I said? Now here, coding is not required at all. What is not required here? We absolutely do not need coding. Now let's move on to the advanced method, or what the advanced method is. Once we complete the full introduction of this, then we will also go into practicals. In the upcoming class, we will understand everything properly. So we will also go over the practicality ones. We will do it from the profit point. Now here we move on to the advanced method. What happens in the advanced method? We need an HTML cell file. Here, if you have knowledge of HTML, what do we need here? An HTML cell file, right? Here, there is an HTML cell file. Now this HTML cell file, essentially, basically, in essence, whatever post we want to achieve a higher rank, we put those posts in it, and we seamlessly inject this code into any website of you or geo. Then our thing gets ranked. All right. Now, look, assume a simple thing. In Black Hat SEO, the main thing is. Now here, there is a section with code. Now what happens here? One of the biggest things, which is advanced, is the most profitable for us. This website ranks in just 20 minutes and does not get removed until it is reported. The basic websites automatically get removed within 3 to 7 days. We have to work again. But the websites in this case last for years. They last for 1 year, 2 years, even 3 years. But obviously it requires more investment. In a single setup, it costs you around 25 to 30,000 rupees. In the basic one, it only costs you 4 to 5,000 rupees. That too will be required when it asks for documents. My suggestion is to buy and keep the documents ready. In the future, it will be useful in many places. It's up to you. Whether you want to get it or not. You can find many sellers on Facebook. If you can't find them, you can ask me. I can tell you. All right. So this document costs up to 5,000. This document also works for Google Ads. It will also work for your Facebook. It will also work with your Black Hat methods. So this is what you need. All right. Now, we will understand the entire practical aspect and how to do it. We will now carefully look into all those things.